What is up, guys? Logan here again. Welcome to another nightly watch list. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. And like I said yesterday, the first week of October is usually a tough one, but quarter four is generally the best quarter historically. And man, was today tough after 2:30. I'm glad I only had one play going and it's a spread. So I'll talk about that and how I'm doing this and how it will limit my risk compared to playing, like a put or a call. But man, today was interesting. Pence and Harris have their debate on Wednesday night, so tomorrow night. So let's see how the futures react Wednesday into Thursday. And I am now going to confirm that I'm only going to be swinging my spread into Friday for expiration. So I'm not going to be swinging anything into Thursday from Wednesday. So we'll see. We'll kind of get a reaction. We'll get a feeling of how the market is tomorrow morning. But the thing that caused that crash today was Donald Trump tweeted saying that the $2.4 trillion proposal is too much money after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stated that they're prepared to take on that level of spending to save the airline industry, the retail, and other industries. So this leaves me a little confused because he also tweeted 3 days ago, do whatever we can to get this passed. The people need it. And then today, he just came out and was like, you know what? Not until after election. So I think it's a little bit of fear-mongering. But I'm really not that political, like you guys know. It's just interesting to see. I just hate when stuff like this messes with the market because, we all got plays and stuff. And this is almost like pure manipulation, like mind game. And like the market's a mind game, of course, but in my opinion, it's just really confusing. And I don't know, I think this should have been something that was stated earlier. And maybe if they do come to terms on a lower, like a lower one, yeah, that's fine. But like I said, there's still money left over from the first one. It's PPE though, but not every business, people don't need PPE to eat food and survive and spend it on their business that way. Like that's a way to keep employees. So it's just really confusing me. I've had a lot of friends too who have gotten COVID over the last week or two and their workplaces shut down and all that. And it's just tough to see that there's no backup for those people, because there's a lot of people in those industries. So it really just leaves me confused, and it's something that I wish we could move forward with and not have to wait till after the election. I mean, the election's in less than a month, but it's still that's a whole month that these people aren't going to have any sort of support that they previously thought they would get because of the stimulus. So that's going to leave a lot of people to sell stocks, but we'll see how the week continues to move. I just don't think it's a big-brained move, but it happens. But let's talk about AMD. So the Zen 3 event starts on Thursday, like I said, so look for that potential run-up. We swung it into today. I hopped out at break even. I think I lost $2. And not a big deal. I mean, it's literally $2. But yeah, I'm going to continue to watch them. I don't think they're looking very good right now since the market sell-off. But if we see SPY back to 336 tomorrow, 335, 337, just around that range, we might see some action on AMD. But they follow Apple a lot, so pay attention to both of those stocks. QQQ is the other popular way to trade with the market, and there's a lot of great opportunities to stomach the volatility too, because it's an index fund, right? QQQ. So since it's a fund, it's safer, it's more diversified, and that could kind of help you from getting crushed if maybe you're playing the airline stocks today. And then that news came out and Boeing dropped $20 today. So that's one thing to really pay attention to, because a company as big as Boeing at that share price is millions of dollars coming out of it. And we have SPY, so let's see if we can rebound from all the stimulus news. Like I said, I'm kind of losing confidence in the market, but not enough for me to consider selling any of my long-term positions. Because there's positions where I'm up 25, 30% on, right? And if the market pulls back again, I'll be back to break even, and I would love to sell before. But like I said, it's not enough for me currently to lose and consider selling my positions, right? So there's a lot of positions I have like that where I'm just let's see how it goes. It's nearly impossible to time the market, especially when it comes to long-term entries. Beyond, it broke new all-time highs again for this year. The sell-off barely affected them. I think they dropped $3. And this is definitely my favorite stock out there right now. I think we'll see it back to 215 per share in no time once all of this kind of gets through. They have even more catalysts now. I guess McDonald's is talking about working with them in Europe. So Beyond has just got to be one of the best stocks out there. And a lot of people are switching to that lifestyle. I just think it's one of the best business models. I studied them a lot when I was in college, and I really like them. I wish I would have played my call. I wanted to pick up my call yesterday on Monday at 169.60. That for 300, it'd be worth 2,000 today. I would have secured profits a long time ago, but they are a runner. This is one of the best stocks. So my current play right now is I have a 329, 326 SPY credit spread. I'm down on it currently, but it expires this Friday, so SPY needs to finish above 329 for me to make cash on it. A lot of collaterals needed for credit spreads, but they're a great way to stomach the volatility. So as long as SPY doesn't drop below 329 by the time it expires on Friday, I should be able to get my credit and make some cash. So I'm pumped. It's the first time I've done a credit spread, and I thought, why not do it on SPY? And I really like it, honestly. It's keeping me from watching the market every 10 seconds, and especially when I'm playing it as safe as I am, too, right? Like that far away from danger, at least what I thought, because we saw SPY drop from 340 to like 334, I think is where it's at right now. So just make sure you secure your profits and cut your losses quickly so you aren't stuck holding a bag, especially through a day like this. Time is money through the day. It's like your time's worth it. Your time's worth money, and it might not even be hourly, but it's just worth money, right? How long do you want to overtrade, or like don't get caught overtrading is what I meant to say, and how long do you want to trade and watch the market, because it can really bite you, and that's what happened today. And even on like my credit spread, I'm down on it, but I'm not really too concerned. It expires this Friday. I can always hop out whenever and take a loss. But that's not the goal here, and every day it gets closer to expiring, those contracts lose value. So I'm really excited to see how this plays out for Friday. But that's going to be it for me today. I was going to hop you guys into Thinkorswim, but I'm going to pass on it today just because I'm not swinging anything except this SPY credit spread, and I'm holding this till Friday is the plan, unless we get really, really ugly. But I don't really know if that's going to happen. I don't really think so. But who knows, really, at the end of the day. This is a big, big decision, and I was really relying on it. I was really hoping they would pass it. I think it would be great for people to get stimulus checks and save these industries because people are hurting. I know there's a lot of people back to work, but in my personal opinion, like we got to think about everybody here and not just ourselves. And I know there's a lot of people who would really benefit off this. So I just want to say that. But that's going to be it for me today. I'm going to have more videos rolling out this week. And I have a cool credit spread video and spreads video coming out very soon. So thank you guys for all the support. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe and join the Discord. Join the premium Discord for exclusive callouts from me, Wolf Theta, Maz, and then Lena helps out a lot too. So it's just a great time with those people, and I'm really excited to see what the future brings. So that's going to be it for me today, but I will see you guys in the future.